Constitution is clear. The Chief Justice, like the President and Vice President of the Republic, is an official of government who can only be removed by way of a political process called impeachment. The filing of two identical legal actions seeks to challenge the premise that impeachment alone can remove an official like the Chief Justice from power given the alleged preponderance of evidence against her. PTV Senior and Chief Correspondent Rocky Ignacio on the hands-off stance by the Chief Executive on this unprecedented case on Philippine jurisprudence.
Malacanang maintains that due process will determine the fate of Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said this following the second quo warranto petition filed by the Office of the Solicitor General before the Supreme Court.
Well, we have consistently taken the view that we leave it to Congress to remove the Chief Justice if there are grounds to do so. Now that a petition has been filed in the court, I think there are two petitions now pending in court. We leave it to the Supreme Court to resolve these two separate petitions. However, we stand by our constitutional duty that we will enforce the decision of the Supreme Court, whatever it may be.
Under the Constitution, the Chief Justice can only be removed through impeachment proceedings.
Well, let's just say this is unprecedented. While the normal rule is that impeachable officers can only be removed through impeachment, the petitioners, who I believe are fully cognizant of this doctrine, probably feel that under the circumstance, the general rule should not be applicable. No? So let's wait for the decision of the Supreme Court.
For Malacanang, Sereno, who is now under indefinite leave, has no effect in the justice system.
Well, I would say that on the contrary, it proves that the justice system works when 13 of the magistrates themselves vote that the Chief Justice should go on an indefinite leave. That means the justice system is well and healthy and alive in the Philippines. Probably should be heeded.
Associate Justice Antonio Carpio is now the Supreme Court's acting Chief Justice.
Well, I know that the cases pending in the Chief Justice's office will probably remain unacted upon, no? Because aside from being Chief Justice, she has a caseload. And because she has gone on indefinite leave, I guess we can safely conclude that there will be decisions that will be unwritten because she has gone on indefinite leave. But other than that, as an institution, the court acts as a collegial body. She is first amongst equals, but she only has administrative duties, which Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio can now fulfill in lieu of the Chief Justice. So there should be no major hindrance to the court performing its job.
Rocky Ignacio for The Nation.